How to buy one fuel token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the next account and keep following their update about this token. So to be able to buy this token, make sure to open their website from the this X account. Now after that, as you can see, you will see here that button that's called join pre-sale. Now click on join pre-sale, as you can see here. Now after that, enter your full name, enter the email, make sure to enter your phone number, and after that set the password in here. Now enter how much you want to buy, you will be able to buy, and enter that coin that you want to pay with. And after that, check these two boxes here. After that, click on open account and you will be able to buy this token on their website. So this is how to buy one fuel token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.